Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I am here to do the weekly setup in my B6 STALOGY. I'm going to be using parts of a digital from CHELA Creates. So I'm just going to flip through the graphics and show you how they actually come, and then I'll show you how I pulled what I wanted to use and use that to cut stickers with. So these are the pages that you get. This is a fairly large digital, and as you can see, it is breast cancer awareness related. And I think some of these elements are really cool. I especially love the pink pumpkins and this doll, the pink bra. There's a lot of things that I really like about this, and I'm very particular about my breast cancer awareness things that I will put in my planner or share, because you may not know this, you may not be aware that I was diagnosed with breast cancer in 2018. So I'm very particular about breast cancer awareness month, and these are the prompts. Okay, so and the reason I say that is that I find that a lot of the things related to breast cancer are not really for people who have or are going through breast cancer. It's for other people. So I don't know, I'm just really picky about it. So anywho, these are the graphics that I pulled and decided to cut. So we have the doll, the pumpkins, the greenery, and then the I'm a Survivor, this doll, more pumpkins, the floral, the glasses, the bras, and then a smaller version of that, then large versions of the florals and the pumpkin, which I may not use in my planner, but I think these would be good for journal pages actually, because they are so large. And then here are some smaller versions that are still fairly large, but yeah. And then I have an extra one of these because I had a little issue when I was printing and cutting. So that's what I'm going to use. And then I'm also going to use this bow washi from Simply Gilded. It's almost gone compared to my other washies. This was one of the first washis that I got from Simply Gilded. I'm going to use this, I don't know if I got it upside down or not, this washi tape from Rose Colored Days. It is Day of the Week washi. And then this polka dot with gold bows from Simply Gilded, and this is a perforated washi. Okay, I'm going to do a very simple spread this week. This is for Pinktober, Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And yeah, so this is last week's spread. I'm going to stick with doing the weekly again, and I may stick with weekly for the rest of the year. I may do daily here and there, but for the most part, I think I'm going to do weeklies for one reason, to add a little less bulk to the planner so that it can hold out through the end of the year, hopefully. And because I just really don't have a whole lot to write down at the moment. So let's get into it. Let's go ahead and mark off the columns because that's how I'm doing it this week again. Get my pencil going. So I mentioned this in another video. I did get my new glasses. I'm not sure they're doing much better, but I can kind of see the grid on the edge of the paper where before I couldn't see it. So that is something, I guess. I was expecting a lot more though. Okay. So we got the columns. I'm going to use this pink washi as the footer washi, and I may not use a header washi. Again, I'm keeping it simple this week. I could use a white washi at the top actually. I think we're almost done with this because I wasted a lot of washi on another spread, so I don't know. So we got our days of the week. It looks kind of naked up there, but we're gonna fix that. And I'm gonna use this floral. I think this is gonna work. Maybe not. Ooh. Let's try it. What I was gonna do was cut this in half and use half on one side of the page and half on the other. See if I can get it off of the backing. So this may not work the way I envisioned because of the way the roses are lined up, but let's see what we can do. I'm going to put this one over here, and I hope that that is lined up straight because I can't tell. This one over here like this, trying to get it straight. This needs to go up some. That's mostly straight. Okay. And then I'm just going to trim this off. Then for Sunday, I can use one of these and cut it in half. And give it that same look. Okay. There we go with that. Now I need to put down some numbers, and I did not mention what week this is that we are working on because I'm notorious for not doing that. So this is for the week of, ooh, this month is going by so fast. The 11th through the 17th of October. So I need numbers. So these are available to patrons, and I think these are also on the website actually. So if you want to check it out, let me make sure I am hitting the right date. Yep. So we're going with putting it to the side. Do I want to put them up here? Nope, I like them right here. I am going to use, which doll do I want to use? I did two, but I'm not sure which one I want to use. I like her. I'm using her. She's kind of big though. I'm going to use her. Let's go big or go home. And then I'm going to bring her down over the washi a little bit more than I normally would. And there, she's gonna go right there. I really don't want to put I'm a Survivor on here. Put some of the pumpkins on here. And I did darken some of these pumpkins because I wanted a variation in color. I should have made more different sizes as well. I don't know if that looks okay or not, but I think I'm gonna leave it. Let's put another one right here. Okay, that's better. Not sure I want to use the bras. Not sure I want to use anything else, even though I thought I might want to. Okay. I'm so torn about this I'm a Survivor sticker. I wish it was even smaller than this. And it got stuck to the Hope sticker because I got them too close together. I guess I can put it discreetly down here at the bottom, and I'm going to cut off some of the offset. Okay. So if I put that there to balance it off, I need to put the Hope sticker on here. So I'm going to put it right here. And I think that balances pretty well. And that's it. I'm not going to put any other stickers on here other than some boxes. And I'm going to use the pink boxes because I have appointments on Tuesday and Wednesday. So let's do that. So we got those. Then, of course, we got our regular weekly things. You know what? I'm not going to put those this week. I'm just going to leave it and use them and plan as I go. Because, like I said, I have those 2 appointments, but nothing else. And I don't want to put down laundry day and trash day. I just don't want to put that down this week. So I may do it later in the week. But for now, I like this just the way it is. So yeah, let's zoom in a little bit. So I'm going to leave it here. Let's stop here. And let me know in the comments what you think. Do you like it when I add the script stickers and icons of the regular every week things? Or do you like it plain and simple like this? Let me know in the comments what you prefer. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.